perfect squares and perfect cubes. क्या होते हैं perfect squares और क्या होते हैं perfect cubes? Let's recall squares क्या होते हैं and cubes क्या होते हैं. We started in the chapter of index notation when 2 multiplied with 2 is written in a form of index notation. We say 2 raised to the power 2, and we said raised to the power 2 has a specific term given to it, and that is called square. 2 squared, right? So anything when raised to the power 2 is called square, and anything when raised to the power 3, let's say 2 into 2 into 2, in index notation can be written as 2 raised to power 3, and the specific term given to raised to power 3 is cubed or simply cube. This is called 2 square and this is called 2 cube. Now, what is a perfect square and what is a perfect cube? It's very simple. Whenever we have a whole number and we take the square or we take the cube, we call it perfect square and perfect cube. For example, I take 1 square, a whole number, I'll say 1 multiplied with 1 gives me 1. I'll take 2 square, 2 multiplied with 2, that is 4. I take 3 square, 3 multiplied with 3, that gives me 9. I take 4 square, 4 multiplied with 4 gives me 16. These numbers are called perfect squares because ये whole number के square से originate हुए हैं, right? Whole number के square से जब भी कोई चीज आएगी, we call it perfect square. Now, what about perfect cube? The same logic is there. Whenever any whole number is cubed, let's say 1 cube, this means 1 into 1 into 1, and this gives us 1. Let's say 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2 is 8. Let's say 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3, that is 3 into 3, 9, and 9 into 3 is 27. Let's say 4 cube, 4 into 4 into 4, 4 into 4 is 16, and 16 into 4 is 64. So these numbers are called perfect cubes. Now, assume अगर मेरे पास कोई एक नंबर है 2.2 स्क्वायर, इसका जो आंसर आएगा दैट इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी कॉल्ड एज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. परफेक्ट स्क्वायर के लिए the term should be a whole number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and so on. जब भी हम whole number का square लें उसको हम perfect square कहेंगे. Whenever we taking a cube of a whole number we call it perfect cube. I hope this is clear. Now I suggest कि आप 1 से लेकर 20 तक के numbers का perfect squares and 1 से लेकर 20 तक के perfect cubes अपने पास एक पेज पे नोट डाउन कर लीजिए सो दैट आपको परफेक्ट स्क्वायर्स और परफेक्ट क्यूब्स क्लियर हो.